Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video on Resolve Nest. I'm Shaneos Khan, your guy. Here is another SEO video. So today we'll discuss about the free method of keyword research. In our previous video, we learned how to keyword research on paid method. We use the SEMrush, so it's a paid tools. So today we'll know how to research our keyword in free method. So let's go to the video. So we already found our mother keywords. You know what is mother keywords? So basically our mother keywords is our service keywords, or which keyword you want to target on your home page and which business you are running for. So that's basically our mother keyword, and we will found that mother keyword, then we'll research the keyword which will be our best keyword and which will be our potential. We'll target that keyword on our website. So we already found our mother keyword. So here is our mother keyword. Our first mother keyword is digital marketing agency. So basically I am working on this site. It's my website and I am doing SEO from scratch on this website with you guys. So if you just watch this video, you will not be good at SEO. You need to analysis. You need to do these things on your website. You need to research about it. Then you can do a good SEO. So let's grab our mother keyword and try to do free keyword research. I will use one keyword for this video. And if I show you that just one keyword to research on a free method, you will understand, I think, and you can do other keywords use that method. So let's grab the keyword, and we have to go our Google Ads account. So if you don't know how to create a Google Ads account, please just do a comment. I will make a video on that. So we'll go to the Google Ads account interface. Here we come to our Google Ads account. Now we have to go our tools option, and then you can find the planning section and click on the keyword planner section. And here you saw discover new keyword, so click on that, and here we need to put a keyword and we need to select a location. So we will put our keyword and we have to select a location. So what was your location? My location was Australia. So include and save, and next click on get started, and here you saw Google show us some keyword. We'll make it bigger, and here you saw our search volume, 3 months changes, competitors, competition, ad impression share. It's not important on SEO because you need to see it when you want to run Google Ads. And it is also, those things are for Google Ads. There is our bid price, I mean it's called CPC. So we don't have to check that. We just need to focus on the search volume and the competition. So and you need to remember which keyword is actually our potential. So it's basically you need to find out that no tools are telling you that's are important, that's are very potential for your business. They just show the result, the AI result, and you need to find out which one is your actually important keyword. So we have to figure out that. So here we find our mother keyword. It's a digital marketing agency. It's search volume 100 to 1K. And 3 month changes, it's plus 90%, and its competition is low. So maybe it's our potential keyword. And also here you saw digital marketing service, 100 to 1k, the same thing on this two keyword, the same thing. So we can grab this or this keyword, and we need to analyze those keyword in other method. Then we can use that. We can use which keyword will be our best. So also we find another keyword, marketing agency near me. So what is the meaning of this keyword? Someone tried to find the marketing agency near him. I mean, he tried to find a physical marketing agency near him. So if you have a Google business profile, and you provide the you have a physical marketing agency service, so you can grab that keyword. It's a very good keyword. So if you don't have any physical office or physical agency, you don't need to grab that keyword, because here they telling you it's a near me, means it's a navigational keyword. He or she want to find a marketing agency physically. So if you don't have a physical agency, so you don't have to grab that keyword. And also here is a digital marketing near me. It's also a navigational keyword. Digital marketing agency near me, it's also a navigational keyword. Marketing company for small business. Wow, it's a good keyword. It's a good keyword. So, and its competition is very low. So maybe I will grab this keyword. I'll grab this keyword and I'll put it in my doc. So it's already put it in my doc, and again I'm writing it just free. And I grab this keyword. You just don't I just find a one potential keyword and one buying keyword on this section. If you find more, also you can grab that. And also you need to make a combined keyword, like here what we saw, we just there is a keyword, just digital agency. And if we target digital marketing agency, see, those two keyword is already on here. So if we target this keyword, this keyword will be targeted. So you have to, that's called keyword collaboration. And you need to find, if you want to if you find some short tail keyword, you can grab those keyword and try to make a long tail keyword on that. If you don't know how to do it, please do a comment in below. I will make another video on that. So basically it's a free method of a keyword. It's very it's not very hard, it's very easy, but you need to analyze this data and you have to spend time on it. So if you do that, you will find this kind of keyword. So and I already I also explained, if you have any physical store or physical agency or physical anything you have, if you have Google business profile, I think I already know what is Google business profile. If you don't know, please do a comment in below. I'll make a video on Google business profile SEO and that. So or if you want to know about Google business profile, you can visit my website. You can visit my website, and here you find a blog. Basically that blog was how to if you have a Google business profile, you need to do Google business profile in multiple locations. So how to do it, I make a blog on that, and how to optimize it also I am telling on that blog. So that's it. So we found a keyword, this digital marketing agency. So this is our keyword. We will grab that keyword. I'll just show you one keyword. You will do more keyword. I have more keyword, but if I do that, this video will be very long. Our more mother keyword is our service keyword. PPC service, Google Analytics, SEO service, those are more my mother keyword. So I'll not do this on all keyword because it will make my video very long. So I explained just one. So I think that's enough for you. And also I will explain some more things about the keyword research. It's make time. If I explain all things on a one video, it will be very long. So I will explain more things on next video. I will do the KGR of keyword research, or you can tell keyword. KGR means keyword golden ratio. So I'll also explain on that other video, I mean on next video. So it's all for today. Stay happy and stay good. Do practice on these things. If you do practice, you will make good on these things. So let's talk in next video. Bye bye, take care. And if you like this video, if you got any helpful on this video, please do a like and do subscribe on this video. If you do that, it motivate me to make a more video on this topic.